If sex has become boring to you as a man or a woman, then this video is definitely for you. In this recipe, I'm going to share with you how you can enjoy sex, how you can last longer in bed with your partner. So we're going to start by blending our tiger nut and coconut so that we can extract the milk and use it for this recipe. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share this video, like, and comment on the section. Let me know what you think about this video. It promises to be impactful. So guys, if you have a cheesecloth, use a cheesecloth to extract your milk. You will get milk without chaff inside. You will like it. If you have a sieve, you can use sieve, but this is what I like using. So after extracting this milk, I'm going to use part of it for this recipe, and I will store the rest in the fridge to consume later. When making this recipe, make sure your husband is around, your wife is around, your girlfriend is around, because you will be so horny you won't know what to do. Now, also for this recipe, we're going to be using snot apple. Snot apple, you can get 5 balls and remove the seed from inside and use. For this video, I had only 1 ball, so I had to remove the seed and use. So but you need to get as many as 5 or even 6 or 7. So but it must be up to 5. Now guys, let's dive right into the business of the day. So we'll start by adding our milk to the blender. Then we'll add snot apple. Snot apple will increase your desire for sex. It will lubricate the vagina. It will rid the vagina of odor, and it also boosts fertility. So guys, you must use it. It is very important part of this recipe. Then date also increases the libido. And our banana, after adding your banana, you add your avocado pear. All these ingredients are essential. You must use them to get your results. Now that we are finished blending, it's time to enjoy. So I am going to fetch for myself, drink, and store the remaining one in the freezer for my husband. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you. Please don't forget to